careful where you walk, Paul. That don't look good at all. That's soft, brother. Don't even walk down there. You can't even walk across there. We have to go up over there somewhere. You have to get down. Look, we have to spread this tarp from here. I need to get it to you down there. This is really bad. I mean, it's really bad. I still think you fall through. I think you need to find the rafters.
Yeah.
Find the rafter. You know that's the center one right there.
Yeah.
It's bad. It's bad. I mean, center feels good. I think we can walk the center. We're not gonna be able to drive that porch in. 100%, not even close. If I can just stop the water from going in the house, that's what I'll be happy with. So that's from here, Paul, to this side, just this side of that stack down there. Okay, we're gonna go to work. I am gonna make a more detailed video with my GoPro of this job. Like I said, like I'm going to say on my next video, if you have parents and they're in this situation, help them today. Trust me, they need your help. This is no way for your elderly mom to be living. Look at the holes. Look at the holes. That is a huge gaping valley right there, and another one down there. Your parents should not be in this mold infested house. Please help your parents. Go find somebody that can help. Call the newspaper, get on Facebook, whatever you have to do, but make sure that your parents are not living in something like this or in this situation. Yes, mom had a house, thank God, but this is not a situation you want your 80, 90, 70, whatever year-old mama or daddy living in. So do what you can do to help your parents. I'm challenging you, I'm telling you, go to your parents' house. Make sure they're not living in anything like this, please. But it's not my normal video. I just happened to run across this today. Made my heart hurt. So, God, it almost makes me want to cry. It just makes me feel bad to think that mom was living like this. So, go to your parents' house, please. God is good. Be kind to others.